2025 gave us unforgettable Turkish dramas packed with emotional depth, shocking secrets, and incredible performances. With English subtitles available, these 10 series became global obsessions. Let's take a look. 1. Siyakalp, Black Heart. The story of this drama begins in the breathtaking landscapes of Cappadocia. Suhaila lives with dignity and power, but everything changes when her long-lost twins, Noor and Melik, come back into her life. Their return stirs up memories she tried to bury forever. Melik falls in love with Sehan, Suhaila's charming stepson. Noor finds herself drawn to Sevet, Sehan's wild cousin. As their connections grow, so does the danger, because the truth they uncover is darker than they imagined. To see what secrets rise to the surface, watch Siyakalp. 2. Sakir Pasa Ailesi, Portrait of a Scandalous Family. This story takes you back to 1912. A grand Ottoman mansion. A family dripping in wealth and secrets. When Sevat returns from Oxford with his Italian wife and child, he's met with cold eyes and old grudges. Sir Pasa, the family patriarch, rules with pride and control. Underneath the silk and chandeliers lies betrayal, desire, and a legacy tearing apart at the seams. To uncover the scandal that changed everything, watch Sakir Pasa Ailesi. 3. Bahar, Blooming Lady. The plot revolves around Bahar, a woman who gave everything to her family. Her dreams, her time, even her identity. Years later, she returns to the hospital not as a patient, but as a woman who wants to start over. But working beside her cheating husband and entitled son forces her to confront truths that nearly break her. Still, Bahar begins to bloom, stronger and more fearless than ever. To witness her powerful transformation, don't miss Bahar. 4. Genius, Deha. From the slums of Istanbul to an American university, Dehan's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. A gifted mathematician, he cracks an ancient riddle that could change the world. But tragedy strikes when his estranged con artist father reappears, and his younger brother dies. Dehan throws away his bright future and dives into a world of justice, using his mind as his sharpest weapon. To see how far a genius can go for revenge, watch Deha. 5. Kara Aa Destin, Legend of the Black Tree. This story is rooted in power, betrayal, and a secret that changed two lives forever. Salal Aa rules with fear, not love. His wife, terrified for their daughter's safety, swaps the baby girl with a friend's newborn son. Years later, that baby, now a woman, returns seeking justice, unaware she's in love with Omar, the boy raised in her place. To see the truth unravel between love and blood, start Kara Aa Destin. 6. Annem Ankara, My Mother's Tale. Set in 1990s Ankara, this story centers on Zulal, a devoted mother of 3. Her husband's betrayal forces her to return to her childhood home. But instead of falling apart, Zulal rises. She rebuilds her life brick by brick, teaching her children strength, love, and self-worth. To feel the quiet power of a mother's love, watch Annem Ankara. 7. Insi Thanelliri, Secret of Pearls. Falsely imprisoned for his wife's murder, ASM loses everything: his freedom, his children, and his peace. When he's finally released, he begins a quiet search for redemption. Through two very different women, a dancer and a grieving mother, ASM starts to heal. But the past isn't done with him yet. To follow this storm of guilt, hope, and love, watch Insi Thanelliri. 8. Sahib Sizala, The Abandoned Ones. This heartbreaking tale follows 6 siblings who flee to Istanbul after tragedy strikes. They face hunger, violence, and loneliness, but they have each other. In a city that doesn't care if they survive, they build a life against all odds. To discover the meaning of true family, watch Sahib Sizzler. 9 Leela, Hayat, Ask, Adalat, Life, Love, Justice. This story kicks off with betrayal. Leela is cast aside by her father and his cold-hearted wife. She reemerges as Elta, a mysterious chef with a plan for revenge. But love complicates everything when she reunites with Can, her childhood crush, now part of the family she hates. To see if she chooses vengeance or love, watch Leela. 10 Uzak Sahir, the distant city. Alia travels to Mardin to bury her husband. But instead of closure, she finds a nightmare. Her controlling mother-in-law suspects her of murder and gives her a cruel choice: marry Sehan, her brother-in-law, or lose her child. What starts as a forced union turns into something far more intense. To watch love rise from ashes, don't miss Uzak Sahir. Which one stole your heart? Comment below, we'd love to know. And for more gripping,